Okay, I now have a mic on, so hopefully you guys can hear me better. Whatever item this is, like, it's a hoodie. I mean, I don't know what number this is. I think it's the fifth, but it might be the fourth. I never learnt to count. Well, that's just rude. The water is really hot. Yow, yow. You know, I'm pretty sure I could put some whites in here as well. And I've got a lot of white shirts for some reason, so I'm just going to throw them in too. Be back. Well, it's not a white shirt, but it is a white hoodie. Think that counts. And now it's a grey hoodie. I'm a psychopath. I believe I can fly right up into the sky. I can't find my white shirts anywhere. Ooh, there's another hoodie, but I don't care. Oh my god, that actually rhymed. I might be the greatest person to ever live. I don't know where my white shirts are. This is a travesty. Ooh, brownies. I shouldn't eat. I've already eaten today. I'm quite full. I didn't have any food for the past 2 days because I was an idiot and didn't spend my money wisely. But who cares? I couldn't find any white shirts. So instead, I'm putting the most diva item of clothing I've ever owned. I never argue, I just explain why I'm right. Douche. Oh my god! That was the most terrifying thing I've ever experienced in my life. And I once went face to face with an African hornet. Also, I just remembered that my white shirts are all in the washing machine because it broke whilst it was on. So they're all going to be soaking wet. So this is going to be perfectly fun. So I could only find 2 white shirts, and they've just been drenched in washing machine water and smell like bloody burnt popcorn somehow. Like, genuinely, they do. If you could smell them right now, you would be like, that is burnt popcorn. So in they go. Oh, that was not a nice sound. I was on my way to becoming a genetic engineer. And then I failed at life. I'm gonna go cry in a corner now. Ooh, jeans. Actually, fun fact about jeans, they're very like antibacterial. So as long as they don't smell or have any stains, you don't actually have to wash them. That's how good denim is. I found that out watching YouTube shorts. I find most of my information watching YouTube shorts. I live a sad life. What else do I have? Let's see what else is in the washing machine. Ooh, a white hoodie. Oh, wait, no, those are white joggers, because everyone needs them. That is definitely not white joggers. It's a weird thing to say on a YouTube video. I might edit that out. Or I might keep it in. Who knows? This must be like the most unentertaining video I could ever do. Actually, that's not true. I'm not a very entertaining person. Instead, I'm actually a very weird person. So I am kind of entertaining, but not in a good way. I'm more like 5 minutes of fun, and then the rest of the hour is just like, fuck off. It's my life story. No one ever likes me for long. Just kidding. I have some friends. I don't see them very often. Like, I only saw them like last month, and then before that, that was like a year and a half ago. I have a very lonely life. Is there any more white shirts in here? Ooh, actually, this hasn't had a wash in a while. A very, very fluffy black hoodie. I mean, just look at how fluffy that is. You can't really see it well, but trust me, it's like being cuddled by sheep. Ow, ow. What the fuck? Oh, Jesus Christ. I'll edit that out of the video so no one ever finds out what that is. Unless they can't see it, then I'll keep it in. Keep them guessing. Definitely wasn't anything illegal. Oh, this'll work as something I could push in without burning my hands. I'm very sensitive to heat, you know. It's because I'm already so hot. Not sure if that got in camera, but it's a very sexy face. Why do I live this life?